You're going to need a nice steady hand here, and we're going to draw this nice curve coming around there. Not quite all the way down, okay, and then we want to do exactly the same curve coming around the other side. Well, nearly. It's an apple, it's not perfect, is it? So it's almost. And then we want to sort of come up like that. Now in this bit down here, we've got the little bit down there at the bottom. And then here we've got the stalk, just going to come out like that, and then with a little kind of pinhead bit on the top. And then we want the apple, the skin, that little bit of tiny bit of skin that you can see. And then you want to draw a little line coming down here, and then it's just going to swell out a little bit like that, just a little bit thicker there. And then we're going to want that to sort of come out like that and like that. And then we're going to put some pips in there like that. So almost shaded in, but leave a little bit of white to make it look shiny. So we'll leave a little kind of circly bit there like that. And we're just going to make that a little bit darker there. Can maybe put a little line up there. And sometimes you might see a sort of little line like that, sort of half dotted. You can shade that bit in there, and as you get to the bottom you can make it sort of less shaded. Then all you need to do is to add a little bit of colour and subscribe to Draw Stuff Real Easy. Thanks for watching. Bye.